Welcome to RefreshNest. In today's video, we're diving into 5 simple DIY projects that will refresh your home in just one weekend. Whether you're looking to enhance your living space or add some personal touches, these projects are designed to be easy, affordable, and incredibly rewarding. So, grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on transforming your home. Project 1. Revamp your walls with a fresh coat of paint. Nothing changes the look and feel of a room quite like a fresh coat of paint. It's one of the most impactful and affordable ways to refresh your home. First, choose a color that complements your existing decor or go bold with a new shade that makes a statement. Before you begin, make sure to prepare your walls properly by cleaning them and filling in any holes or cracks. This will ensure a smooth and even finish. Next, tape off edges and cover any furniture or flooring with drop cloths. Start by cutting in around the edges with a brush. Then use a roller for the larger areas. Applying 2 coats of paint will give you the best coverage and depth of color. While painting, consider adding an accent wall for an extra pop. An accent wall can create a focal point and add dimension to your space. Choose a wall that stands out naturally, such as the one behind your bed or sofa, and paint it in a contrasting color or use a fun wallpaper pattern. Once the paint is dry, step back and admire the transformation. Your room will feel brighter, fresher, and ready for any season. Project 2. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a perfect way to personalize your space and showcase your favorite art and memories. It's a fun and creative project that can be completed in a weekend. Start by gathering a mix of frames in different sizes, styles, and colors. You can use family photos, artwork, prints, or even postcards and mementos. Lay out your arrangement on the floor before hanging anything to get a sense of the overall composition. When you're happy with the layout, use a tape measure and level to mark where each frame will go on the wall. Start with the largest piece in the center and work your way outwards. Use picture-hanging hooks or adhesive strips to hang each frame securely. To add an extra touch of creativity, consider mixing in other elements like mirrors, shelves, or decorative objects. Not only does a gallery wall add visual interest to your home, but it also tells a story through the pieces you choose to display. Project 3. Upgrade your lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in the ambiance of your home. Upgrading your lighting fixtures can make a significant difference in how your space looks and feels. Begin by assessing your current lighting situation. Are there areas that feel too dark or too bright? Do you have outdated fixtures that need replacing? Once you've identified the areas that need improvement, it's time to choose new lighting options. Consider adding a statement chandelier or pendant light in your living or dining room. These fixtures can become a focal point and add a touch of elegance to your space. In the kitchen, under-cabinet lighting can brighten up your countertops and make cooking more enjoyable. For the bedroom, bedside table lamps with adjustable brightness can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget about the importance of natural light. Adding sheer curtains can allow more sunlight to filter in while still providing privacy. When installing new fixtures, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully or consult a professional if needed. Proper lighting can enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your home, making it feel warm and inviting. Project 4. Refresh your furniture with a DIY makeover. Giving your furniture a DIY makeover is a fantastic way to breathe new life into old pieces without breaking the bank. Whether it's an old dresser, a coffee table, or dining chairs, a little creativity can go a long way. Start by assessing the condition of your furniture. If it's structurally sound but just looks a bit worn or outdated, a makeover is a great option. Sanding down wooden pieces and applying a fresh coat of paint or stain can completely transform them. Consider adding new hardware like knobs or handles to dressers and cabinets. This simple change can have a big impact and give your furniture a modern look. For upholstered pieces such as chairs or sofas, reupholstering with new fabric can make them look brand new. Don't be afraid to get creative with patterns and colors. Adding a bold pattern to a chair or a pop of color to a table can make them stand out as unique statement pieces in your home. If you're not confident in your DIY skills, there are plenty of tutorials and guides available online to help you through the process. The satisfaction of transforming a piece of furniture with your own hands is incredibly rewarding. Project 5. Install a backsplash in your kitchen or bathroom. A new backsplash can instantly update your kitchen or bathroom, adding both style and functionality. It's a project that can be completed in a weekend and makes a big impact. Start by choosing a backsplash material that complements your existing decor. Subway tiles, mosaic tiles, and peel and stick options are popular choices. Measure the area where you'll be installing the backsplash to determine how much material you'll need. Before you begin, Make sure the surface is clean and dry. If you're using traditional tiles, you'll need tile adhesive and grout. For peel and stick options, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Begin by applying the adhesive to a small section of the wall and pressing the tiles into place. Continue this process until the entire area is covered. Once the adhesive has set, apply grout to fill in the gaps and wipe away any excess with a damp sponge. If you're using peel and stick tiles, simply peel off the backing and press the tiles onto the wall, starting from the bottom and working your way up. These tiles are a great option for renters or those looking for a quick and easy solution. A new backsplash not only protects your walls from splashes and spills, but also adds a stylish touch to your kitchen or bathroom. It's a project that delivers a high-impact result with minimal effort. And there you have it, 5 simple DIY projects that can refresh your home in just one weekend. From painting walls and creating a gallery wall to upgrading your lighting, giving your furniture a makeover, and installing a new backsplash, these projects are designed to be both fun and rewarding. Remember, the key to a successful DIY project is planning and preparation. Take your time, gather your materials, and enjoy the process of transforming your home. Each project is an opportunity to add your personal touch and make your space truly your own. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and that you're excited to tackle some DIY projects of your own. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to RefreshNest for more home improvement tips and ideas. Happy DIYing, and we'll see you in the next video.